Where are we going today, Matty?
Just gonna finally drop the rolling show off to Anthony over at Dartone. Finally, after 4 long years.
Brother, I had a look. 1st of March we pulled this motor out.
Yeah,
2020.
2020, yeah.
So it's almost 4 years to the date.
Yeah, well, you know, you can't rush these things.
No.
Perfection takes time.
Sure.
So Anthony's had the engine for a little bit. You know, I gave up on doing the rebuild.
Nah, she had some gremlins. What was that? He mentioned something about was it the number 3 journal?
Number 1.
Oh, number 1.
Bearing was worn, or I can't remember exactly what he said. And the rings are a bit glazed, and it all got a bit.
She saw some abuse.
Yeah, she definitely got abused. So it was a bit above my pay grade, and you know, we all got a bit busy, so we kind of gave up.
Better question. When is it going to be back on the road?
Well, we got 4 weeks. We got a deadline of 4 weeks until my wedding. So he's got 4 weeks. He said he can do it. He said that's plenty of time.
All right. So what you're telling me is, after this video goes live, in the next 3 weeks, we should have
skids. Definitely.
I was going to say some rolling footage under its own power, but skids will do.
Yeah, rolling. Yeah, it'll be rolling. It's power skids.
Can't wait. So what is getting done to this block, or what has been done to it?
So pistons and rods, nittos.
Yeah.
We prepped the crank, so we put a crank collar on it. So we put a collar on it. It's an all pump drive collar. We grub screw them, balance it, polish it, crack test. So that's all they really need to make plenty of grunt, spin to whatever.
About 8 degrees of camber, everything feels like 1,000 horsepower.
What rev limit are we putting on this one?
I think the turbo will run out before the engine does.
Yeah. Started, I think last time it was on the dyno, we tripped it off. It was like 23 pound, I think it ran on Jimmy's dyno. It was 23 pound and about, I don't know, I can find the dyno sheet somewhere, but it just cranks everywhere.
So I tried to keep them ready to go.
Yep.
So
Single, everything else will be done around.
Well, that's like what we did now. So with this setup,
Where are we, Matty?
Dartone Racing.
Come on, bro. Give us a bit of enthusiasm. Give us a rundown.
Oh, you filming?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh. I thought you fucking forgot.
Huh?
I thought you forgot.
No, bro. It needs to go on the tubes.
Yeah, bro, we're here to fucking get the rolling defect ready.